In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to Loom Video. Adding audio can enhance your video significantly, making it more engaging and enjoyable for your viewers. Let's get started. First, you need to launch the Loom app on your desktop. This is the essential starting point for adding audio to your video. When you open the app, you will be greeted by its clean interface. You'll notice the various options available for recording your video. It's important to ensure that you have the latest version of Loom installed to access all the features smoothly. Once the app is open, you are ready to move to the next step. Don't worry, you are on the right track. Next, click the three dots menu icon. This icon is typically located in the top right corner of the Loom interface. Once clicked, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the Settings option. Accessing the settings allows you to customize your recording preferences, which is crucial for ensuring you capture the audio correctly. This step matters because improper settings can lead to issues with the audio quality later on. After selecting settings, you are prepared for the next important step. Now, open the Video and Audio tab in the settings. This tab is where you can control various aspects of how your video and audio will be recorded. You will see options that allow you to configure the audio input and output settings. Being familiar with this section is essential as it directly impacts the sound quality of your recordings. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the available settings. This knowledge will save you time and frustration later on. From there, toggle the Use System Audio option to On. This is a critical step because it enables Loom to capture all the sounds playing on your computer. When this option is activated, Loom can record background music or any internal sounds, ensuring a richer audio experience in your video. You'll see an immediate change in the settings, confirming that the system audio feature is now active. This small adjustment makes a significant difference in your video quality. Next, we have a crucial step. Open the Enhance tab and turn off noise suppression or noise filter. If you leave this setting on, Loom might mistakenly interpret your music as background noise and automatically mute it. This is a common mistake that many users make, so it is vital to ensure this setting is adjusted correctly. Once you have disabled noise suppression, you will be ready for the next part of the process. This step is vital for preserving your audio integrity. After that, start playing your music in the background and hit record. This is where the magic happens. As you begin recording, the music will blend seamlessly with your voice or any other sounds you want to capture. You'll notice how the audio comes together to create a more engaging experience for your audience. This step truly enhances your video's appeal, making it enjoyable and professional. Take a moment to ensure everything sounds great before finalizing your recording. Now you are equipped with all the necessary steps to add audio to your Loom videos. With practice, this process will become second nature. Remember, the right audio can elevate your content significantly. Enjoy creating your videos, and don't hesitate to experiment with different soundtracks. Your viewers will appreciate the effort you put into making your videos more dynamic. Happy recording!